Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can easily turn on vanishing mode on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then right here tap at DMs icon to open up your conversations, and then just enter some conversation. If you want to send a message to your friend on Instagram and want it to be disappeared as soon as they seen it, you can use Vanish mode. To enable that mode, you can just swipe up from the bottom of your conversation to enable vanishing mode. In Vanish mode, seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. If you can't enable Vanish mode on your Instagram, so you swipe up and nothing happens, that probably means that you have outdated Instagram app version. So you can hop out Instagram app for now and open up App Store. On the App Store, you have to search for Instagram. And then you can open up Instagram app page right here at the App Store, and if that button says update, you have to hit on that and wait until update process to complete. After that, you can hit at open button and try to use Vanish mode at any conversation. If you want to toggle off Vanish mode on Instagram, you can do it in the same way, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen to bring up the regular mode. As you can see, all the messages that I have sent before vanishing mode was enabled are still here. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, where you will find a lot of another useful videos. You can easily find that playlist in description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.